Hello guys, if you're watching this, that means you're watching the replay. So type hashtag replay and thank you so much for everyone who wished Cloudy. As you all know, today is Cloudy's birthday, and today evening we have some of Krish's friends and also Cloudy's friends. So we can celebrate him, and we have another one tomorrow. So it's like such a busy day. You can see I've been running around picking all his what is it, like favorite things, and I'm super tired already, but I need to get going. Hi Soumya. So for my face, as you can see, there is nothing. So to start with, anytime I'm going to do like a very simple base for today. So the first thing you need to do is obviously using silk. Silk is our pore and wrinkle minimizer. This is our primer. This is the product that is like a you can use as part of your skincare too. So you can see how much I have used. Hi Malika, see, I'm used to saying good morning. Today it's almost I would say in another few hours it's going to be evening. So this is how much you are going to use. So what you're going to do is you're going to just press it all over. What this is going to do is this is going to fill any pores and also uneven skin tone, and that gives a nice base when the foundation or CCTM goes on top. And also you can use it as part of your skincare routine too, because this is more of a matte finish rather than a glossy finish primer. And our primer is non-comedogenic. As I was saying last month, I got ready every single day for one whole month. I would say these are things that really helped, because if you see silk has many good benefits, including antibacterial, anti-inflammatory, all those properties. So it keeps any breakouts or anything and treat it instead of what is it, like making it worse. So silk is one of my favorite, whether I am getting ready with makeup or without makeup, to finish it. And today I'm not going to do my eyebrows. Instead I'm going to just do the Brow Sense gel, because when you do a primer you always want it to sit few seconds before you go ahead with your foundation or anything. So that way by the time I can do my rest of the things. So this is our new brow gel. I've been regularly using it morning and day. If you're someone who has sparse eyebrows, then this is really going to help. I know our hereditary, we all have a nice one, but you know, even for me, I will have a sparse area here, and I think I already explained it. What happens is my hair will be little longer in some areas, and what it does is it's going to be droopy on some areas if I don't do my eyebrows. So this is like more of a holding gel, I would call it. So Krish's friends are already arriving. So now only I'm getting ready. His friends are already here, and Cloudy is going to be crazy. Cloudy thinks Krish's friends are his friends. That's how he treated. So that's why we called all Krish's friends. So they will ring the bell. I hope Krish is downstairs to take them on to play with. So that's the first point. So these are like your base steps, and the next product is the one that is on sale, the eye illuminator. If you see, whenever something comes in the tub, that means they are really thick. So in our whole line, if you see, the neck cream, the night cream, the eye cream, all those are in tubs. That means they are really thick. So they are pretty much going to stay on top of your face. So the eye cream is like a must for everyone, no matter what age you are. As long as you have an eye, you need an eye cream. That's how simple it is. And similar way, the eye illuminator is nothing but Haifa. So the eye illuminator is nothing but eye cream mixed with pearlizer. So you can see this is part of the makeup. So that's why I'm going to use it today and show you how I'm going to use it. So you are just going to take a tiny bit. It starts to melt. It's so thick, but it's going to start to melt once you keep your fingers in and just gently press it, and it will be like a creamy consistency. And what you're going to do is you're going to apply it underneath your eye, and it's going to give that little brightness to your eye, and at the same time it has the eye cream benefits too. So don't pull too harsh, just gently press on it, as I said, with your what is it, like warmth from the fingers itself. It's going to start melting, and hope you have seen that it's on sale. So why we need an eye cream, what is it, like a must in your routine is, eye is one place that's constantly aging. If you see, we constantly blink, we constantly move our eyes. So the eye area is so delicate, and it keep moving every now and then. And every night what happens is, you know, many of them will have puffy eyes. So what happens is, every night there is water that gets collected underneath your eye, and when you get up in the morning, it's going to absorb it again. So that's when the delicate area around the eye is constantly shrinking and expanding. So that's why you start to see the wrinkles around the eyes very soon. So adding an eye cream is really going to help with puffy eyes. You can see how what is it, like loud and happy they are. They all play with Cloudy nicely. So that way he's what is it, like he's so happy today. We already met his friends. We delivered some of his goodies for the his what is it, like his dog friends in the community, and we are going to have even Zoe for us, a little one, and we also have few of Cloudy's friends. So that way it is like really nice for him to get along. So that's what it is about. So the eye cream is on, eye illuminator is on sale from yesterday, today and tomorrow, if I'm not if I'm right. So if you want, grab it. As I said, even if you are not a makeup person, still you can just layer it. It's going to slowly start to decrease the puffiness and also wrinkle around the eyes. So the next thing I'm going to go over is my favorite powder. As you see, if you're someone who barely uses makeup and you don't like anything liquid foundation or anything, then even having just the powder is going to take away any excess oil. I am what is it, like I am a normal to oily person, and that way having the powder underneath, it's going to help any excess oil. And our powders are so fine. They are liquid. They are literally one molecule away from being a powder, being a liquid. So that's how fine this powder is, and it comes with cianopeptides. That means they are going to have more benefits, not just laying around. So this is my favorite way to get ready, so that it absorbs the oil when it segregates. So this is very simple step. As I said, I don't want to overdo my makeup, and I'm just going to go over like a half a pump of my foundation over it. So one by one I need to get ready. Like I have to do the decorations, and have to go pick food for his friends. So here I'm using Pecan foundation. I'm just using today half a pump. I don't want like a heavy layer for today. So since I already have eye illuminator and the powder, I'm just going over with half a pump, because that's all I need. So that the reason why I get ready in live is for you guys to see from the start to finish, to see how slowly it starts to adapt to my skin tone, so that you guys can understand how our what is it, like our foundation or CCTM picks up the your skin tone basically. So hi Ranjani. So it's basically they pick up our skin tone and slowly start to adjust. So if you see any unevenness or any discoloration, they will slowly start to adjust to cover it. And if you have redness, I would say you can even layer one layer of CCTM and then go over with the foundation, or you can even do 50-50 of them. There are like tons of ways to use our products. You can use 50-50 of foundation, you can use CCTM plus pearlizer, you can use pearlizer with foundation, you can mix powder with it. I can't talk enough of it. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to apply a little bit of lip volumizer. If you see majority of the YouTubers or anybody, what they usually do is they do a lip balm while they get ready, because that way the lips will get moisturized. In SeneGence, if you do, if you're going to go with lip sense, then doing the doing the lip balm is going to break your color, so you don't want to do it. Instead, if you do the lip volumizer or even a gloss, you can wipe it off and apply the lip sense. And today I'm not going to do much for my eyes. I'm just using the natural tan first, just to color correct. It's a Shadow Sense color. As I said, anytime whether you wear eye makeup or not, this is going to just color correct. That means it will just give you a flawless base to correct all your veins. Yesterday I learned, usually I don't give any onion or garlic to Cloudy. Yesterday when I went to pick his cake, I learned that we can give a little bit of garlic to them, and it's medicinal, like how we use anything, like a tiny bit. And so today he and his puppy friends are going to have pizzas along with the big boys. So that's what the party food is for them. So I got I got his what is that? Pizza, a cute pizza for him and his paw friends. So it's instead of a party, it's a party. So what I'm going to do is, since this dress has blue and like a sea green, I'm going to use the ocean eyeliner. Just excuse me, it may be 1 minute, but I will try to do as fast as you can. But that's what I'm going to do. I'm not using any, I'm not using any eyeshadow on my top. I'm going to use one in the bottom, but let me try to do my eyeliner alone. I lost my desk from here. My husband moved it upstairs. So if you are a newbie and it's your first time doing liquid eyeliner and all, I would suggest you to have a place where you can have your hands steady. That way you can have a steady hand to do your eyeliner. Today, as I said, I am in a hurry to do my makeup. Hardly I will have another 10 minutes before anyone comes up and asks me for help. So I am just going to do whatever I can. So how are you guys spending the weekend? Hey Shobna, I will message you afterwards. I saw your message, but I was already in live now. I'm getting ready for the party. I'm yet to do the decorations, so I have to rush. See, I messed up a little bit here, so I'm just going to correct it. So when it is still liquidy, you can still correct it whatever you want. Yeah, that's it. What else? So if you want, you can use that's okay Shobna, that's okay. It popped up, but I couldn't reply because I was in live. So I'm doing the navy pencil down. And then I'm going to go over sea foam shimmer, not the sea breeze shimmer. There are too many colors in that close range. So just a quick one. So see, this is exactly the shade. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to take my favorite Real Technique brush, and I'm just going to take from here. So with Shadow Sense, you don't even need to have a lot. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to take this shade and run it under. This shade underneath looks really good. You have used along with a pink. If you go to the, what's it like, there is a folder in the group which has all the eye looks. If you see, there is an eye look even with this color with pinks on it, and I have even made a video on it. It's a sold out shade unfortunately, but anytime when you like a eye look, I would say, do you see, it's nothing grand or anything, but it really pops up. Like, you don't need to know so much to do a eye look or something. Just with few things you can make it work. You don't have to have tons of things. What I'm going to do is, I'm going to have fun. So I'm going to do a blue mascara for today. You can see, since the dress is all over green, why not have the fun of having a blue? So this is my favorite way. I don't know how many of you do that, but this will really help for our eyelashes to curl up easily. I don't know who's that. I hope someone gets the door. I didn't even see whose it is. If they ring the bell, then I need to go. Okay, my husband is there. So I'm going to do the Cobalt Mascara. This is a limited edition. So if you're, doing the mascara, do both top and bottom. The colored ones are non-waterproof. So if you see, it really, today I didn't do the, what do they call? The 3-in-1 lash primer, but still you can see it gives nice volume. The way to do is just wiggle around and lift it up. So that way you will have a nice length to it. With our mascara, you can go up to 3 layers, and they are not going to be like a super stiff like a plastic. They will still have that nice balance. You can see it's like, it will give such a nice vibrant shape. If you have never tried these colors, it's like so fun to try. And you know, the fun part is doing a mascara and talking, because you always make funny faces when you do your mascara, and it's really hard not to do and just talk and do it. So that's it. You can see how much difference it has. Hi Shailaja. Shailaja has also Simba. I have many friends who got a puppy last year. So they all are with me and know how we all learnt along with COVID. But I would say it's such a fun thing to have them at home. When they do all those funny things, it's like end of day when you are super tired, like it still makes your day, because Cloudy will be like, how much ever you say, he will still wait for me or my husband, and he'll be so cuddly, and at the same time he'll be so happy to see you guys. So that really makes your day when you someone. Thank you Shailaja. So that really makes your day when you see someone who's been waiting for you. So today I didn't do any eyeshadow for today, but if you want, you can always do like a very light shade like dusk shimmer. These will be barely their color, but it will look really nice. Like you want like a very subtle color, but you don't want it to pop. Like, see, today I did seafoam shimmer. Thank you Shailaja. That's what, like, I wanted to do something different. See, I know I will push it something. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to do Bella Shimmer as my shadow, my blush. So I'm going to take a little bit of Bella Shimmer here, and This is the Shadow Sense color. It's a very, very pretty shade. So I'm going to just take it and I'm just going to apply it. I know blush is an optional step, but I really like blush because it will finish your look. Thank you so much. Anyway, you will see me straight also. I was asking Ram, give me 5-10 minutes, I'll be back. Anyway, I have to get ready. I will finish it here because I wanted to show how the what is that called, high illuminator is, and I wanted to show you guys how it looks. And so I was like, anyway, I'm going to get ready, let me do it. Hi Tamil. So Bella Shimmer, what else? I hope I finished everything. The last one. Yeah, since it's a very simple, I keep saying this is a simple look. I don't know how you guys will feel. To me, this is like a very simple everyday look. Today is Cloudy's birthday, my puppy's birthday, Tamil. So I was getting ready because we are having friends over to celebrate him. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just do the custom gloss. Let me apply it and talk because it's going to start changing the color. So if you have never, never heard of pH glosses, we had 2 of them. The beauty of pH glosses, they are going to they are going to react with your pH level, and it's going to start changing the color. So that means it's like a custom color. Thank you Tamil, thank you Chairajat for replying. So it's going to be different for different people, and it stays longer than any other gloss. Like I have always said, a gloss, normal gloss will smudge because I am more of a lip sense person. So that way, having just a gloss is not my type unless I'm very hurry, or even then I will sometimes choose like a very lip balm, tinted lip balm or something. But a pH gloss stays a longer because it's meant to be worn on its own. Because if you can wear it on top of a lip sense too, but then it lost its purpose. But when you wear it as it is, you can start to see it starts to react in every 5 minutes, or I think within 10 minutes it reaches the maximum color. So here you can see the tube will be orange. We had 2 of them. One will be blue and one will be orange. But you can see slowly it starts to turn the color, and that way in another 5 or 10 minutes I will have my lip really tinted, and it's meant to leave a little bit of color because, as I said, it is reacting with your lips. So it's going to leave a slight tint. That's why I said I like to wear it, because even if it goes away, you will still have like a little bit of tint. It's a smaller tube. It's like our Shadow Sense size, but totally worth it. I wish they bring more of these. I know it's such a cool concept. When I was like, when they introduced, I was like, I'm not sure, because as I said, I'm just not a gloss person. I'm always a lip sense person, and I was like little hesitant. I was like, do I like it? Will I wear it more? But to be frank, this gloss I have worn it many times. If you go and search the group also, this is the custom coral pH gloss. I have worn many times because I really like how it turns on me. And as I said, even with a mask, I have wore it many times when I go out, and it still stays really well. And hope you like the whole look. As I said, it's nothing major. It is like with SeneGence, it's always how you want to customize it for your day. For me, this gives like a finished look. Rather, you have seen when I started how I looked very tired and uneven skin. But if you see now, it's all settling down. And with SeneGence products, it's anyway all day wear. So you can get ready very way before, and that way it's going to slowly start to adapt, and by the time your guests arrive, you will literally feel like it's your skin. That's how much natural it will look. It will never thank you for Shiva, thank you so much. Yeah, I can't wait to see Zoe with her tutu and all. I was telling Cloudy and I was telling Ram. I was like, I need to take pictures of both of them. Hope they stand still. I already had one picture with another friend of his, and I need to deliver few other gifts too for his Cloudy's friends who are in the community, because he is one of the friendliest dog in the community. He loves to talk to every dog or every person. So I need to take him for a quick walk and before the party starts, and that way he will be all ready, and I will post the pictures, I will post everything. I know I'm like a proud dog mom, so you will be seeing tons of pictures today and tomorrow. So bear with me, and you all have a wonderful evening, and see you all soon.